day 2 at the Holy Boulders. We walked all the way back to this boulder, which is the Red Sea boulder. I think that's what the boulder's called. And we're just gonna try to do a handful of proms in here. Start with the Red Sea right here. Starts in jugs down there, that ledge, and then just goes up this way. And you got big ledges, a little bit of slopey top out. And then next up will be Moses, which is right down there somewhere. Actually, I don't know how it starts, but somewhere down there. And then you kind of link up into Red Sea, same outro. That's a grade harder. And then there's like 3 other proms. We'll try these proms, and I don't know where to go after that, but that's what we're gonna do for now. Nice, dog. Oh yeah.
Fuck!
There we go. That's
oh,
sick.
that's so terrifying. My hands are just numb.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna give it my very first flash burn ever. I'm not really warmed up. I don't really care to flash it, but there's a chance maybe it'll happen. Probably unlikely, but maybe. I'm just gonna try to make it work.
Okay. I was there. I just didn't grab it. Oh yeah, that's so easy. Okay. Okay. Second go. From the bottom, we'll get it. Yeah, dude. It's just that move.
It's far.
Yeah, I hit it open hand that time too. That's not the way that I wanted to hit that hold.
Okay. I'm gonna try King Solomon, or Moses now. See if I can do this one. Are these feet good? It's so far away. Arf, arf. Ouch. Oh!
Dude just broke the rock. Rock breaker.
Try it from here.
You were there.
Humongous move, dude.
You were there.
I'm gonna stick it and then pull off.
Yeah, stick it and get the heel on, and then everything becomes significantly easier. Come on. How solid?
Not as hard as the first move.
No. Why would you do that?
I'm too tired. I'm cold. Oh.
Why'd you change the heel, bro?
Because it wasn't on the bottom. And it was probably easier. It was easier to like stabilize this stuff.
But you took out your saving grace and shot it in the head.
It's easier.
It's not easier.
I mean, isolation.
I know, that's because you're not pulling on the wall, bro. You're just talking.
Toxic.
That was really close.
That's better than prep and proper start now. Oh my god,
That was horrible.
It really takes so much out.
No, it doesn't.
He's destroying the earth over here. Attacking the ground with his feet. He's kicking, oh my gosh, he's not even looking. He's kicking rocks and stumps. Crunching it all up. Like Captain Crunch. Bro, it's coming out the ground.
Earthbreaker.
Earthbreaker, dude. Beetle bitch. Breaker of the earth. That'd be spine breaker.
Spine breaker. Ass breaker.
Ass splitter, earth breaker. Bro, I didn't hit it right that time. Cold again or something. Yeah, I'm pretty down on this one. Alright, we're
The
gonna
crimps are
try.
decent. Sorry, what?
No, you can keep talking. You just be yourself, bro. He's camera shy.
I'm not camera shy, you were saying something.
We're gonna try King. Oh my gosh, dude, the lighting. We're gonna try King Solomon. We're gonna try King Solomon.
Also camera shy, they can't speak on camera.
Take this thing
And that thing.
and this one, which is a bit more end cut, just smaller, like surface area. You've got a foot down here.
Go high, baby.
Oh yeah, I showed these. There's a foot here. Well, you can see it again now. And then you go to the giant jug, like all the way up there. He's gonna try to campus it. I'll give this one a couple tries, but I'm kind of feeling crimped out. I don't last very long in crimps. I'm all crimped out on from the other two, so it's gonna be primarily him this time. But I think he can do it.
So you like hit, match, and then you go out right far to like that.
Can you pull off them campus? Maybe.
Yeah, that's terrible. It's like a bad foot on a steep overhang.
Yeah, it's really steep. You can kind of see from up here how steep this prom is. I think it's, I don't know what that is, but it's real steep. Oh, it's the jugs, and the jug's way up there. But it is a big jug.
Get one That was not close, was it?
Better than what you just tried.
Better go. Oh, fingers are not warm. Okay.
Well, that was pretty close.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna wait. Well, if there's 36, 6, and 8A and 30 people flash it, like, 30 people flash? No, I'm just saying, like, I don't think it's worth buying someone dinner. 30 people flash.
Oh, that was really close.
Yeah! Come on. Oh!
No. Come on, Aaron.
Ah! Nice.
Come on, dude. Dig in.
No, not that. A little bit of knees come to like push the shoulder. Maybe. This is beta mic over here.
Yeah, those pretzels are looking good. What are those? Are those pretzels?
Yeah,
You can
they're.
have some if you want. I'm all in. Sorry if that's on camera.
Hopefully he sends.
I'm eating a bag of pretzels in the background. I don't own Subaru, so I would say no.
Yeah.
Fire.
Oh.
Did you use any of the strip? Yeah.
Dude. Yeah, dude. Tight. Oh, yeah, Aaron.
Oh, yeah, I'm so.
You got shit fucked. You got fucking shit.
I keep solving it.
Like, alright, we're trying Calypso now. Sorry, there's a big period I didn't talk because there's a crowd and I don't want to be a fucking weird lunatic talking to my camera. There's people around. So we're over here. This dude's hot. He's got, bro, what the heck? Bro, what is wrong with you?
It just looks like part of the
Dude,
tree.
that's someone's tree,
I put
bro.
it back.
We got giants, we got Sasquatch out here, right here, Bigfoot. He's going for round 2. Bro, if you got, if you got that one stuck. All right, so we're trying Calypso, or I am, again, and I'm probably not gonna do it because it feels hard. And I'm not good at rock climbing anymore. I'll give it a couple more tries, and I think we're gonna move on. I want to jump on something that's actually doable. This doesn't feel doable. But yeah, day number 2 at the Holies. Suck my fucking dick off. Fucking do it, climbing. What is going on at this point, dude? Bro, I'm done, Calypso. This thing's freaking hard. Get this leaf out of here, dude. Yeah, I think we're done. Or I'm done, Calypso. We're gonna go try like something else, and maybe like 1 or 2 more problems, and probably head out for the day. What is he doing? Bro, are you raking the leaves? You raking the house? Whose house are you raking, dude? What's going on? You got a child. You can make a big leaf pile. Dude, you can make a big trash pile of leaves.
Yeah, and jump in it.
Yeah. You don't need pads in. He's raking the ground. We're gonna move on because he's losing his brain. Usually I'm the one who loses my brain, but today it's him. He's just playing with sticks and leaves and dirt, rocks, acorns. Deforestation in the process right now. The government's gonna get mad. Okay, we're done climbing for day 2. Tried a couple other things, but I think we're pretty much done now. It's cold, dark. Tired. We didn't really want to stay out later tonight, so kind of tried like a couple 6s for like not very long, but they feel hard. Just like everything else here. I haven't said yet, this place is literally just like sandbag to shit, so it's kind of hard to get the top of anything here. But yeah, that's it for day 2, so we'll be back out tomorrow.